How to fix? This file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. If you are having trouble opening any folder that says this problem, this video is for you. Let's see how you can fix it. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your registry editor app. So just search for registry editor on your search bar and then click on yes. Once your registry editor is open, before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel as well. If you have any new recommendation, you can leave a comment if you want. Now let's continue. Now from here, you want to click on HK classes root. And here you want to find for ink file. So just find your live script first. Go ahead and search for live script. And once you find it, it will be right under your live script. So just search for ink file. It should be somewhere right here. So it's right under your live script folder. You should find this ink file. Just open it. And here what you want to do is right click and click on new and create a new string value. Now to name this new value, what you have to do is just right click on it and click on rename, and you have to name is is shortcut. So you are going to have to write it exactly how I have written it here. And once you do this, just click on OK and make sure that the shortcut is created. So after you do this, you can just close it and then restart your PC and see if that fixes your problem. But if that still doesn't fix it, then what you can do is find your problematic folder, and you're gonna right click and click on properties here. And once you open properties, head over to the customize tab and make sure to select general items here and click on also apply this template for all subfolders. Click on apply and then OK. And after this, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one.